Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I mix these beautiful colors, homemade acrylic colors. So I have these two 1-ounce jars, and I have these two beautiful shades from justpigments.com, Silken Violet and Bright Violet. I am going to show you how to mix your own acrylic colors with pigments. So first you take acrylic clear, and I have this, I think it's a half a teaspoon. So for half a teaspoon, I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 6 is enough. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now we're done with the clear. Put that away. And now we're gonna add some white. So the white just helps you kind of not have the color transparent. So the same thing with a half a teaspoon. I am going to add 1 and 2. So 6 half a teaspoons of clear and 2 half a teaspoons of white. Okay, so let's do the same thing with the other one. 1 and 2. So now that this is done, I'm gonna now add the colors. So for the colors, I use 1/4 of a teaspoon, little tiny thing. So let's try with the Bright Violet from justpigments.com. So let's open this up. Now they do come bag in a bag, so there's no mess. I do take them out of the bag and I put them in little jars. It's just easier to use. Now they're airtight sealed, so you can't even do anything. So you have to be very careful when you open them up. There we go. Oh, how beautiful this is. I don't know if you guys could see it. This is so pretty. So let's add 1/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, once we mix this, we'll be able to see if we need any more or not. Excuse me, I got something stuck in my throat today. So now I'm going to clean this off because I don't want both pigments get in the same jar, because then the colors are not going to be the same. So now we're going to add the Silken Violet, also from justpigments.com. So let's open this one up. Something in a little baggie, and there we go. If you guys could see how beautiful this is. So pretty. So the same thing, 1/4 of a teaspoon into the little jar. Now let's put this away. Whew. Now we're gonna close the jars up. And we're gonna shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. So this is the Silken Violet. And this one's going to be the Bright Violet. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, that's my little one in the background. He follows me everywhere. You follow mommy everywhere? Okay, so let's see. Bright Violet, Looks like that. And then the Silken Violet. So now we're going to try these out and see what shade they actually come out to be. If we don't like it, then we could always add a little bit more pigment. I would add a little bit at a time. Now, every pigment works differently. Even if you order them from the same website, they all work differently. Some you need less and some you need more. So you try and you try till you find your exact mix. So let's try these out. Okay, so here are the colors. Silken Violet and Bright Violet. Would be like that. Okay. Now I do have a lot more pigments that I had recently purchased, but I can't show you everything at once. So I'm going to do a color at a color. And I'm actually working on creating my own Color Acrylic collection, as I enjoy mixing these and coming up with different shades and colors. Okay, so let's see. I don't know how to do this so you guys can actually see it. Okay, let's go. So first, we're gonna dip our brush into the liquid. Now I'm using Nail Mate number 10. Now my favorite brush is the same type, except it's a number 8, but unfortunately it broke, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. Okay, so now that we dipped, let's see how this works. Now I don't usually pick up a lot of acrylic at a time. I work more as a beginner than anything else. I figured, and I always go by less is more sometimes. Oh, this is beautiful. Goes on nice and smooth. The pigment is perfect. Now let's do the top. 1, 2, 3, and go. Why are you making all that noise, Braxton? This is beautiful. It has a little sparkle to it, but not too much. But it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so now let's try the other one, which is Silken Violet. Okay, so here we go. There's my bowl. Now let's work. Now the Silken Violet is a beautiful shade of some kind of lavender shape. He also has a little sparkle in it. Oh, but it's so pretty. So pretty. Let's get another bowl. Wait a couple seconds. For some reason, when I do wait a couple seconds, the colors, the pigments blend better together. Even if I just buy colored acrylic, I wait a couple seconds for the pearl to kind of, I guess the liquid go through all the acrylic. As always, just a little touch up. Now remember guys, colored acrylic goes a long way. Most nail technicians will use a thin colored acrylic layer and then encapsulate it with clear. Okay, so I don't know, can you see? Okay, so this is the Silken Violet. Oh, so pretty color. Okay, let's wait to dry and then we're gonna top coat it and see what we got. Okay, so now that it's dry, I'm going to put the top coat on it. Let me see if I could. There we go. Running out of top coat. So pretty. Okay, let's cure this one. And then let's see the silken. Yeah, switch the barrels because the other one is kind of like empty. So much better. So pretty. Okay, let's cure it. Now that it's cured, see how beautiful these colors are. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will always answer all of your questions and try to help you out as much as I can. Again, these pigments were bought from justpigments.com. This is just my own way of mixing my own colored acrylic. I'll probably be using these on my next design. So thank you so much again. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Love you guys, and I will see you soon.